How to remove Passkey on Roblox. So if you want to remove a passkey on your Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox application. If you don't know what a passkey is, then passkey is an extra layer of security that helps protect your account. Sometimes you may want to remove it for easier access, or if you no longer need it. Let's walk you to the steps. So the first thing is just open up your Roblox mobile application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account so that you can access all necessary settings. And once you're on the application, tap on More button, which is located on the bottom right. After that, you need to scroll down and then tap on Settings. Under Settings, you will have Account Information. Tap on Account Information. You'll see various options related to your account details. Look for a section called Login Methods. Within the section, you'll see an option called Passkey. In my case, under login methods, I've not added a passkey, but if you've added your passkey, then under your login methods, you will have your passkey. On the right side, you will have Manage option. You can tap on Manage in order to remove your passkey. And once you tap on Manage, on the right side of your passkey, you will have a trash icon or a delete icon. You need to tap on Delete and your passkey will be deleted. It will ask you for your two-step verification, so you need to enter the code that you will receive through an email, and after that go with verify and your passkey will be removed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.